I'm asked to draw a parallelogram ABCD, where I'm given the length of AB, 6 centimeters, the length of AD is 4 centimeters, and the measure of the angle BAD is 30 degrees. So first I'll draw a freehand diagram here, and I'll put in all the information that they gave. It's a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel. That side will be parallel to that side, and this side will be parallel to this side. It's called A, B, next corner will be C, D. You've got to keep always going round with the letters. You could go this way as well, but you've got to keep going round. AB is 6 centimeters, AD is 4 centimeters, and the angle here is 30 degrees. Now I'll follow this diagram when I'm drawing the accurate diagram. So first I'll make AB equal to 6 centimeters, and I'll use the ruler side of the polymath, and I'll put a dot at 0 and a dot at 6 centimeters, and I'll join the two of them up like that. And that point there is A, and that point there is B, and that's 6 centimeters. The next thing I'm going to do is to make an angle at A of 30 degrees, and I'll use the polymath as a protractor. So I'm putting the little arrow there just under A, and the 0 along there, along the line, and go 0, 10, 20, 30 degrees and put a dot. And I'm going to join that dot there to A, that point there to A. So that will give me an angle of 30 degrees. Next, I'm going to mark off a length of 4 centimeters here, and I'm going to use the ruler edge of the polymath. I could use the polymath as a compass either if I wanted to draw an arc of 4 centimeters radius. So I've put the 0 mark there, and I'm putting the dot there at the 4 centimeter mark. And that there is D, that point there. Now, through D, I'm going to draw a line parallel to AB, and I'll use the polymath in the handiest way. All of these bars are parallel, so it doesn't matter which bar I put on that line, and then it doesn't matter which bar comes to D. They're all parallel when you'd be sliding it along against a straight edge. So I'm going to choose this edge here because that brings another edge very near D. So I'm going to put this edge along AB, and then I'll just have to slide it back the tiniest little bit so that I can draw a line through D parallel like that. So now I've made that parallel to AB. Now I'm going to do the same through B. Through B, I'm going to draw a line parallel to AD. So again, I'll just pick whatever bar suits. See, it wouldn't really matter. Whichever brings another bar near, that'll be there. They'll all work, but just I might as well do it the handiest way. So I'm going to put that bar there along AD, fix it exactly. And now using the pencil as a straight edge, I've really practically any distance to move it at all, just about there, and draw the line. Now you can see it's not quite long enough, so I'll have to make it longer. And I'll go back and make this one longer as well, because they've got to cross or intersect. And that point there is C. And this AD is parallel to BC. Now, I'll just go back and check, have I all these instructions carried out? Well, it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. It is called ABCD. AB is 6 centimeters. AD, I did make it 4 centimeters, I just forgot to write it on it. And the angle BAD is 30 degrees. So I've done everything as they wanted.